Hi, you guys. So we're going to go over the agenda for this week. So everything is located in that Chapter 4 folder. It's the assessment folder. You'll see it's labeled with January 27th through the 2nd of February. And so what needs to be done at home this week? You need to complete the study guide. And this has to be done before class. So for the study guide, what I want you to do is to complete all that you can and attempt the ones that you don't know how to do. So you still need to try and do the ones that you don't know how to do. It is okay if they are incorrect. We're going to go over them in class. But what I need from you is to at least attempt them. And it needs to be done before you come to math class in person. The study guide was handed out during class. If you do not have it, or if you've lost it, or anything like that, I will show you where I've posted it in our folder, or you can come and find me during Life Ed if it is not after your class. So then we have the Chapter 4 practice test. That's located on Schoology. And so you'll just complete that, and then you'll post your work to that Schoology page. Sorry, it's located in Big Ideas, and you're going to post your work in Schoology page. In person this week, we're going to do a warm-up, and we're going to do a ton of review. So we're going to review that study guide. We're going to go over all the questions that you guys have. We're going to work through the problems that maybe you got wrong, and then we're going to do a review game to really prep us, and then we'll test in person. So let's get out of this, and I'm going to show you that folder. So that study guide, if you lost it, don't worry. I have attached it in the same place that you will submit your study guide. So you need to submit it before coming to class to show me that it's done. And so that will be here. And then you just click on this, download it if you lost yours, right on the screen, and then resubmit it. And then here's where you're going to post your showing work page for your practice test on Big Ideas. So head over to Big Ideas, take that practice test, let me know your score, and your showing work page needs to go here. And then we'll take that test in person. So if you've made it this far in the video, I want you to email me, and I want you to tell me what your favorite animal is and why it's your favorite animal. So for me, my favorite animal is an owl, and it's because I like to stay up late, so I really feel like we connect on a deeper level, you know? So email me your favorite animal, and I will send you some Lynx bucks back. All right, go ahead and get started on the stuff for this week.